Hello guys, welcome to SMC tutorials. So today we'll be discussing on how to register on the Celia app and start mining Celia tokens. So Celia mining started around last year and the mining will end this year September. They're going to launch September this year. So all you'll be needing is the Celia app, which you can get on Play Store. So after downloading the app from Play Store, you are good to go. Let's open the app. Since you are registering for the first time, you need to click on sign up. Then input your email, the email you want to use to register. Click on email, then input your password, then your referral code. It's compulsory you use a referral code to log in. Then click on create an account. Registration successful. So all you need to do after registering is click on this icon at the right that is turning. Click on it. So for you to be able to mine, you will need to verify your account, like verify your email. Click on verify account. Then click on request verification code. Click on it. Account verification code sent already. So let's check for the verification code. So you need to check your promotions. Check promotions for the verification code. You see Cynthia from Celia. Click on it. Copy your verification code. Copy. Let's go back to the app. The same icon you clicked on the first time, click on it again. Then click on verify account. Input the code we copied. Then verify. Your account has been verified successfully. All you need to do is click on mine Celia. Then mine. So you have mined 3.8 for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you'll be able to mine again. So for you to be able to qualify for KYC, you need to have a streak of 15 days. You can see the streak here. Hello Celia, and you have a streak of 1 day. You need a streak of 15 days for you to be qualified for KYC. So here is your mining balance. Here is your active team, like your referrals, people you referred, and here is your last mining session, like you just mined 3.8 Celia, then your streak reward at the top. So you can copy your code and share with your friends to get rewards. When your friend clicks on the link, you'll be rewarded. So click on the icon at the top right, just click on it. So here you see your dashboard, your streak. So you have a streak of 1. You have 1 streak. You see your KYC, you are unqualified. For you to be qualified for the KYC, you need a streak of 15 days straight without missing a day. Now everything Celia, their community, your referrals, about the project, your profile, that's where you can find everything. So guys, here is what you need to know about the Celia mining. I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys.